It's not dug up at all. The pipe is,
It's dug down to it.
no.
Okay, I'm all listening.
The pipe is broken because when the water burst, the water pushed out all the dirt above it.
We had those. That's when we had leaks. We had the same thing happen. Remember how I used to be able to dig out the.
Now, if you look very carefully at the ground, you notice that there's two strikes. There's one right below it. See where the one is?
Yeah.
And then there's one to the left, right of it.
Right.
Now this one, if you come over on this side here, you can see where the pipe is broken.
Right. Okay.
Okay? And then that right there is a strike. And then that's a strike.
Well, it could be that, and then this is water. But I used to have.